Ring entrances sets the tone for the entire run. So if I'm at a trial and I watch other people, pretty much with a pretty darn high rate of accuracy, I can predict how well a team is or is not going to do based on how they enter the ring. You can see somebody's right by the ring here. So there is a lot of pressure right here. So that is not where I'm going to be, right? I'm not even going to be over on this side because I'm still stuck between two ring entrances and people moving in and out of this area. I am all the way over here, far, far away where there's open space and she can be free to be relaxed and move around, and we can warm up and we can wait back here. So we're going to go through the aisle. Yes, and I reward him. And I'm super happy with him because he didn't even glance at any of that.